Hi folks, it's a great day here at Fife, Washington at Johnson RV, home of the premium pre-owned superstore. This is one of our top shelf premium pieces. This is a 2014 Leisure Travel Serenity. Many of you know Leisure Travel has been in business for over 53 years. This coach is on a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. Clean burning, turbo diesel, quiet. Mercedes has been building diesel chassis for over 100 years. This is a full body painted coach. I've been told that that door on this model by people that, clients for example, is sturdy enough to put on a small airplane. Wow, what a story. For those of you that might be considering a Class B but need storage, this B Plus has storage. Look at the quality and the workmanship of the storage doors. Look at how it's lined. Leisure Travel just does a beautiful job. Coming back here, more storage. They don't waste space, so underneath this, inside the rear sofa, why not take advantage of the use of space, not waste it. Again, B Plus gives you more storage with a smaller coach. Don't waste the space. Leisure Travel's experience goes so far. Look at how beautifully integrated the windows. Look at that awning. The fit and finish. Coming around to the rear, you've got a backup camera. Look at your LED lights. You've got a frame mounted hitch system. You can tow something. This coach is rated to tow 5,000 pounds. Again, don't waste space. Leisure Travel knows that. Nice finish flooring, carpet lined. You've got a place back here to put a water filtration system. But the fit and finish and the expertise of this company, it's absolutely gorgeous. You've got more storage areas. You've got an outside shower. Here's where you hook up your propane. Here's where you can drain your tank. If you want to see your batteries, you can slide them out. There's your generator, 3,600 watt LP propane. Here's your power cord to plug in right here. Here's your vent for your water heater. The Sprinter chassis front chairs are considered to be some of the most comfortable in the industry. They have adjustments for height, up and down. They've got adjustments for your back. They've got adjustments for the small of your back. The fuel door is integrated, so when this door is closed, no one can access your fuel door. We're going to take a break. We're going to go inside and show you the inside of this beautiful Leisure Travel Serenity 2014. Welcome back inside this 2014 Leisure Travel Premium Pre-Owned Serenity model. As you notice up toward the front, look at the use of space. How many people could you comfortably sit here? At least 4, maybe 5, on a Sprinter chassis. Unbelievable. Again, 53 years in business, Leisure Travel is considered to be one of the most respected manufacturers in the industry for the Class B RV. Look at the quality woods and the quality ultra leathers that they use on the upholstery, French stitching. Look at the curved wood on the cabinetry. Look at the use of space. Amazing use of space. Look at that. Being on the Mercedes chassis, you've got a tilt wheel. You've got a telescopic steering wheel. When you turn the seats around, you've got many, many adjustments for your comfort. The engine's running right now. You hear how quiet it is. It's clean burning, backed by engineering expertise of over 100 years from Mercedes. Look at the beautiful solid surface. Look at the size of that. Stainless steel sink. Upgraded residential appliances. Faucets. Double burner. stainless steel backsplash, place for your spices. You can put a garbage can down there. You can use that little garbage can, put ice in it, use it as a cooler. This one has a convection wave. Can we back up? Mm-hmm. Yeah. This leisure travel has the optional convection microwave oven. You can bake your cookies, your pie, your cake, your biscuits. Look at the size of this refrigerator in a B+ Sprinter chassis RV. If you need privacy, you've got it. You've got separation between you from the rear to the front. Nice. Oh, coming around here, look at that. Condiments, slide out pantry. I better not forget, Dean at Leisure Travel reminds us to remember to tell people a place to put your shoes. Look at those hinges. More storage. If you come up to the ceiling, you've got ducting for the air conditioning toward the front of the coach. And as you work your way back toward the rear of the coach, gives you balanced cooling. You've got the optional power sofa bed. Look at this. You've got the memory foam underneath, the luxurious ultra leather. Look at that, your sofa turns into a bed at a push of 2 buttons. Amazing. Look at that, and it's comfortable. Can't beat it. Push a couple buttons, turn your bed right back into a sofa. You can have guests back here relaxing and visiting. You can have guests up toward the front. Amazing use of space. And underneath your control panel here, with a rod for a hanging rod for coats, shirts, jackets. You've got your generator, push button start. This coach has the Magnum inverter. You can watch the TVs without even turning the generator on. You don't even have to plug into power. You've got your tank monitors, push buttons. You know what your levels are. And then this has the optional rear stabilizers, push of a button on this coach. Look at the fit and finish on this restroom. Look at the fit and finish on the shower. Look at the room of the shower. Look at this curved door. Just incredible. Leisure Travel just knows what they're doing. Quality. LED lighting. Solid surface around your facility sink. Look at the beautiful flooring. Lots of storage. Just an awesome RV. Easy to park, easy to drive. If you have any more questions about this RV or any RV at Johnson RV here in our premium pre-owned store in Fife, Washington, give me a call. Chris Dunmeyer, Johnson RV, Fife, Washington, 253-286-0833. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.